Welcome to the PazMesa Experience Meditation, a journey to awaken the peace that resides within you. Let's begin this self-care practice for your mind, body, heart, and soul. As we embark on this meditation, find a comfortable position. Feel safe to adjust yourself as needed. I invite you to close your eyes gently as we prepare to dive into a deep state of tranquility and healing. Let's begin with deep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs fill up with air, feeling your chest and belly rise, and your diaphragm expanding. Hold this breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of all the tension, stress, and worries that have built up in the body. Continue this deep breathing pattern with ease and grace, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into rest and relaxation. With every exhale, release the beliefs that hold the symptoms of abandonment, betrayal, injustice, rejection, and humiliation. As you settle into a rhythm of breathing, set the intention to release all mental and emotional dis-ease. Visualize yourself letting go of the heavy emotions, including fear, guilt, shame, despair, pride, anger, and apathy. Invite the power of intention, visualization, and affirmations into your practice to heal and rejuvenate every part of your being. Visualize a radiant light of unconditional love and pure, clean energy at the core of your being. This light represents the unconditional love, grace, compassion, mercy, and peace that lie within you, always accessible. With each breath, imagine this healing light expanding with every breath you take, reaching every cell, every organ, every system, and every chakra in your body, from head to toe, enhancing your vitality and strengthening your immunity. As we move through the body, affirm the following: I release and free my muscular system and skeletal system from all dis-ease and tension, starting from my feet and moving up through my legs and reaching my spine, allowing the healing energy to start at the tip of the tailbone and rise all the way up to the brainstem. I am grounded, safe, and strong. I release and free my nervous system, letting go of all stress and anxiety from the tips of my toes to the crown of my head. I am calm and balanced. I release and free my respiratory system, enhancing my breath's depth and ease. Feeling this healing energy in my lungs and throughout my chest, I breathe in peace. I breathe out fear and tension. I release and free my cardiovascular system, ensuring my heart beats in harmony with the rhythm of peace. I feel love and compassion for myself and others. I release and free my digestive system, from my stomach to my intestines, absorbing nourishment and releasing what no longer serves me. I am fulfilled and content. I release and free my endocrine system, balancing my glands and my hormones from my pineal gland all the way down to my adrenals. I am energized, aligned, and in harmony. I release and free each chakra, starting from the root at the base of my spine to the crown chakra at the top of my head. Each chakra glows with vibrant energy, aligning me with the universe's frequency of unconditional love, wisdom, and peace. Now, embrace the mantra of PazMesa, allowing these affirmations to resonate deeply within your being. I have peace. I feel peace. I will peace. I love peace. I speak peace. I see peace. I know peace. I am peace. I sense my completeness, wholeness, and worthiness. May you carry this love and healing with you, transforming not only your life, but also the lives of those around you. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the peace and healing from this meditation into your day. Remember, the peace you seek is always within you, accessible through mindfulness, intention, stillness, and the power of PazMesa. Peace be in you.